Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on the BMW and what we did, we actually replaced the front window regulator. Okay, video will be coming soon. It's a very long video, so we'll show you the whole video will be uploaded soon on the channel guys, so please subscribe. Also, what we had to do in the meantime when we replace window regulator, motor, anything like that, you have a side airbag, so you have to disconnect your battery so there is no power to the airbag, so you can avoid any injuries like that. And when we disconnected the battery guys, our clock is not working here, as you can see. So the clock will need to be set on the radio as well. And in today's video we'll show you how to do that if you have an E46 and you're trying to set the clock. This should cover 1998 to 2005, even early 6. So you have two switches here. Okay, one of those is for the clock. Okay, you can see this one here that zeros the mileage, and then you have one on this side. Okay, and this one, okay, you can go ahead, okay, and turn to the left or right. Watch now, you have to grab it really strong and turn without pushing. You can go to the right as well. So right now it's 4 o'clock here, so if you keep holding it, it starts going really fast. Now if you stop, you can go one click for 1 minute at a time. In our case, I need to go to 4 o'clock. And I'm going to go around and see if we have the 24-hour format or 12 hours. So let's check that quick. Okay, you can see we have the 24-hour format. So I need to go to 16. Okay, 16, almost there. Up, I need to go back now. Went too fast. So it's 16:01 by the time I'm ready. Perfect, just like that. Now if I go back to the radio, you can see it shows the clock there as well. Now just a quick reminder guys, we'll have more than 200 videos in the future made on this car. Okay, this is our racing car, so we'll have quite a few videos coming on in. We'll be taking the engine apart, everything under the hood, electrical clusters, door panels, window regulators, airbag modules, and all that, how to be rebuilt. Also, this is the convertible. As you can see, this is the convertible, so we'll have a video how to fix your top if it doesn't work and how to replace the top as well, coming very soon. You can see it's a high mileage car, but it's ZHP, well taken care of, and it's in good hands now. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.